Today I'm going to show you how to install Ollama in your Windows machine so that you can use some of the models locally. Even if you don't have API keys, you can use models like Llama 3, Qwen, and some other models. Let's do the installation. In Google, you just have to type Ollama, and then you have to click on this first results Ollama here. Now, since you are on Windows, so what you can do, either you can click on this download button, or you can simply click on this copy link, or let me refresh this page again so that you can see different options. And right now it is not showing other options, but this is what you have to do. Paste this in PowerShell or download Ollama. So I'm just going to copy this and then just open PowerShell and simply right click and paste it. Press enter. The installation will start, and it can take some time because it is around 3 GB, so it depends on your internet speed. How fast is your internet? Now, once you will see 100% here, then the installation will be done. So for that, for the time being, I'm going to pause this video and let's wait for it to complete the installation. The installation is done here. You can see install complete, run Ollama from the command line. Now, if I check models, I will write here Ollama list, and there will be no model right now. It's taking some time to print. So one of the thing is that if you don't have good RAM, then it will be quite slow in your laptop or in your PC. I just have 8 GB of RAM, so it is quite slow in giving the output. Now, in the meantime, I'll go here and you have to click on models because now we have to install model. And here in the search, or maybe if you scroll down, so you have all the latest models here. You will see GLM 5.2, then you have from Gemma, Qwen 3.5 and 3.6 and so on. So for example, I'm going to show you how you can download a Llama model. I will write here Llama, then it will give me different Llama models. So here you can see this Llama 3.1. It comes in different parameters: 8 billion, 70 billion, and 405 billion. Then we have Llama 3, 8 billion, and 70 billion. Llama 3.2, it comes in 1 billion and 3 billion. I am going to install this one. So it will take it will take less tutorial, but you can decide what model you want to install. I'll click on this because it's a very small model, 1.3 GB. I'll click here, and then this is a CLI command. I will just click on this copy command and let me get back to the PowerShell. So yeah, here you can see there are no model installed right now. Name, ID, size, and modified is all blank. Let's install, right? I will just right click here and press enter. And once this model is downloaded, then I will again run this command Ollama list, and you will see that now we have this 3.2 model. It will also take some time, so let's wait until it reaches 100% here. It says writing manifest success, so this model has been installed, and we can start chatting here. Yeah, so it says send a message. I will say just how are you, and I should get some response. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. I'm a large language model and so on. Now I'm going to exit this. Let it finish. We'll just exit this. In Python is used to, okay, hey, it is not exiting like that. Okay, it's giving me example. I will just press. Okay, let me wait and see. So it's writing Python function here. The function to exit. And it is also giving an explanation that in this example, the program will keep asking the user if the user want to continue until the user enters anything other than Y or N. Okay, so it's giving me function and also response. Now I just want to stop this. Okay, I'll just do Control C because I want to stop it. and maybe quit will work. No, quit is also not working. I don't know how to get out of this. Let me quit with, I write this. Okay, control plus D. I have to press control D, then only it will stop. So here you will see use control plus D or buy to exit. You can also type quit. I tried, but it did not. Yeah, finally, after pressing Control D, it quit. And now, if I do Ollama list, it should show me the model that I've installed. So you can see this is the model that I've installed. That's how you can install any model that you want to use with Ollama. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.